So the major challenge that we are addressing is the challenge of overconsumption within the clothing industry. So what we are thinking is that what if we produced products that are circular produced, that can be consumed in a circular way. In that way we could have a guilt-free consumption for the consumer and just urge them to keep consuming, but change the expectations of the products. We used to own our products, we have the library of games, music and films. Could we do that with clothes as well? Used to be products that we owned, now we can stream the design and temporarily form them in a physical product that once we've used and experienced them, we just return it to our ecological system. In this case, they will end up as biogas, for example. The result for this week is that we have made some major breakthroughs for making these garments wearable. So what we see here is a 3D printed PLA, flexible PLA mesh, and the PLA is a bioplastic made out of corn. You can compare it to a leaf and capillary system of a leaf. That's like the skeleton of the garment. So we 3D print that one and then we coat it with a foamed cellulose mixed with a bioplastic. Now we can put it together and put it on the ultramarathon runner. We also have this cooperation with Romy, a student here at Borås, who made this running top for female without seams. It's just put together with this, it's just one piece. We're looking forward to try these on and just see how it works out for the next step.